Hi everyone, this is Kristen with Be Healthy Nutrition. Today I have with me Mary, my client relations manager.
Hi.
And she's going to show us how to make a healthy quiche.
Today we're going to make a crustless, healthier version of quiche. So what I'm going to be using is Quiche, some low-fat milk, can't believe it's not butter, broccoli, some reduced fat cheddar cheese, 3 eggs, and I like white pepper. You can use dark pepper if you want, but I'm going to use white pepper today. To make our crustless quiche, what we're going to do is use a blender. So I've added a 1.5 cups of low-fat milk, a 1/2 cup of baking mix. I'm using Quiche, but some people use the Heart Healthy Bisquick. That's also fine. 3 eggs, and a 1/4 cup of melted margarine. I'm using the I Can't Believe It's Butter, the reduced fat one. So we'll add that all to our blender. We're going to put it on just for a few minutes to get it blended. Very simple and easy to do. So what we want to do is we want to take our mixture, add it to a bowl. You can customize this to what you like. I'm making a broccoli, cheddar cheese, crustless quiche. If you prefer other vegetables like tomatoes, onions, or combining tomatoes and onions to this, whatever you prefer. I'm using 1 cup of reduced fat cheddar cheese, but again, use whatever cheese you like. And all you do is mix this together. As I said before, I prefer white pepper, so I'm just going to add a little bit of that. Use whatever. If you like the black pepper, use that. So next what we're going to do is we're going to take a pie dish. I'm using a glass pie dish. I am going to use some spray on it because we don't want this to stick. What will happen is this mixture will form its own crust. So this is one way that you are reducing the amount of calories and you're making it healthier. That's it. That's our quiche. We're going to put this in the oven. We baked our crustless quiche at 350 degrees for 35 minutes. Enjoy! Thanks for watching today.
If you found value in this video, please consider subscribing to our channel. And if you'd like to watch more videos like this, click or tap the screen. Bye everyone.
Bye.